Welcome to DataVerse Chronicles, a comic adventure that takes you from absolute beginner to machine learning. Every great adventure begins with a single question. What is data?
Take a look around you. Someone is sending a message. A customer places an online order. A car starts moving. Someone withdraws money from an ATM. Even the weather changes every minute. The world never stops moving. Every action leaves behind a tiny invisible trace. One trace may seem insignificant, but together, these tiny traces begin to tell a story. Those little pieces are what we call data. Meet Pi, our friendly guide through DataVerse. Pi reminds us that every click, every photo, every purchase, and every message creates data. Whether we realize it or not, we're creating data every single day. One single piece of data tells only a tiny story, but when millions of pieces come together, they reveal patterns, trends, and the story of our world. That's where the true power of data begins. But not everything is perfect. Here comes noise, the troublemaker of DataVerse. Noise mixes everything together, making the data messy, confusing, and difficult to understand. Luckily, Clean Master arrives just in time. With one powerful sweep, the messy data becomes clean again. Clean and organized data is the first step toward discovering valuable insights. Now, Panda takes over. By arranging the data into neat rows and columns, everything becomes easier to read and understand. Organized data helps us answer questions and solve problems. Detective ML watches carefully. He knows there's a hidden story inside every dataset. If we ask the right questions, data can reveal answers we never imagined. So, what did we learn today? Data is created by actions and events. A single piece of data tells a small story, but millions together tell a much bigger one. Raw data is often messy, and organizing it makes it meaningful. Our journey has only just begun. In the next chapter, we'll meet the 4 friends of data and discover the different forms data can take. See you in the next adventure, here in DataVerse Chronicles.